Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Jacob Weeb. I'm the owner of West Royal Contracting. I'm a 27-year-old contractor in Canada, BC. We just recently completed this exterior of this 10,000 square foot barn. In this video, I will be explaining the process of the metal cladding and everything that went along with it. The building was 170 by 60. In this video here, I set the roof metal directly on top of the roof for easy dragging and installing the metal. The roof strapping was 16-inch on center, which meant a whole lot of screws, around 12,000 to be exact. We finished this roof off in 2 days, including ridge cap, vents, everything. The fascia metal took a little bit longer than that. That would be like about an extra day. Here in this video you can see the fascia metal has been applied and a 4-inch drip that goes up the roof for extra waterproofing. Here's the finished product of the roof. I think it looks amazing. We did this in 2 days, like I said. It was unreal. I can't believe we did it, but yeah, the process was 2 people dragging the metal, 1 person putting the paper down, and setting bottoms. The next thing we did was soffit. I don't really have any videos of it, but here's some pictures. It was black vinyl soffit, 8-inch, so it meant it was around 670 pieces, unlike the normal standard 16-inch, which would have been about 335 pieces, so it definitely took a little bit longer than expected, but it looked great in the end. The next process of this building was to Tyvek the whole building. It was a little different than your traditional. Usually the building is sheeted, so the Tyvek just goes to the sheeting. There's no air going through the garage doors and ripping the Tyvek off, so we had some stormy weather, and I ended up taking a bunch of plywood strips and putting it to the side of the building pretty much, I don't know, every 5 feet or something like that, just so I wouldn't lose it, because we were waiting on windows to be installed before I could install any metal. At least we could do the back end like you see here. We did have the windows in at this point already, and then we just started putting the metal on. It was great. The trim took a little bit of time, but like once the metal goes on, it really feels like you're doing something. So it started to look great, started to take shape. Here's a little time-lapse video of us installing the metal. Here we just have 1 person in the lift, 1 person on the bottom, setting the bottoms at a 1/4 inch above the starter box. And at this point in the video here, the window ended up being like, it landed where the cutout piece only left us with 1.5 inches, so I had to take a 2x4 and screw it to the top and bottom so it wouldn't bend or wreck the metal in any way. But other than that, it went very, very smooth. It goes up fast. The sheets were around 18 feet long, which it gets a little heavy once you put on about like 300 sheets, because the building was 10,000 square foot building. On this side, I did end up having all the window trim pre-cut, and then I just installed it as we went, and he screwed off as I installed the metal trim. And yeah, here's a video of the finished portion of the back side, the roof, all the wall metal on. It was a little muddy back there. We got stuck a couple times. He had to push me out with his excavator there, which was very handy to have. Here's the finished video of the building. I think the tan metal with the black trim looks stunning. It looks unreal. This was one of our biggest projects to date. I couldn't be happier on how this project turned out. Thank you for watching. More content to come, hopefully, in the near future. Here's the before and after of that one sidewall, strapping space 2 feet on center. And then here it is after, with the little mechanical room, which was 12 by 8, was a great addition to the building. Here's a little montage of the whole project. We finished this project in record time, and hopefully I can secure more contracts like this in the future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content. I will try and make more videos of my projects, include a little more information on how everything goes together. We do a lot more than just siding, so check out my website at www.westrowcontracting.com, Facebook, Instagram, West Row Contracting. Thanks again. Until next time.